Well, hi everybody and welcome back to my kitchen, where I'm going to show you how to make your very own delicious meat and gravy pie using your very own homemade short crust pastry. Using this link just here, you'll find it quite simple. So, well, yeah, let's carry on, shall we? Now, here are all the ingredients that we're going to use for this fantastic pie. I'll explain as we go along. Onto the hob with a pan. Then in goes a large knob of butter and some cooking oil. Then we can add our diced beef. Now we just want to get this a bit brown, sort of sear it all over. Then we can add our chopped onion that's been chopped up in a fairly large pieces like this. Just pop that in and leave this to cook for a while until the onion goes translucent, but not burnt, obviously. Give that a bit of a stir, keep that going. And now we can add 2 heaped teaspoons of flour. Stir this around to get everything coated in it. The flour is going to help thicken the gravy. Now we can add a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, or about a tablespoon of soy sauce, and that goes. 1 beef stock pot. Add enough water just to cover the meat. Well, about a centimetre, I suppose. A sprinkling of pepper. We won't need salt because there's plenty of salt in the stock pot. Some tomato puree. And 4 of these bay leaves fresh from my garden. In they go. Now we can bring this to a simmer and leave this cooking for about 30 or 40 minutes, and then we come back to this and see what we've got. Yep, that's looking good. Time to assemble the pie. We can start by lining our pie dish with a homemade pastry, in with a pie filling and some gravy, and then roll out the top. Place it on, trim around the edge, make it look all neat and tidy. Then into the oven for about 40 minutes at gas mark 5 until it looks really brown and tasty. Well, thank you once again everybody for watching this latest video. That pie turned out magnifique. Trust me, it was so good. Anyway, I'll look forward to seeing you all again on the next video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and give me a like if you do like. And yeah, well, see you next time. Bye.